Good morning, students. Hope all of you are fine. Now myself Divi Sharma, I am your maths teacher. Today in this video we'll be discussing the topic based on integers. Happy learning. Let us discuss the topic based on integers. Now what is an integer? An integer is a positive or a negative whole number including 0. That is, for example, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. All are coming in the category of integers. There are 4 integer operations. The very first one is addition, second is subtraction, third is multiplication, and fourth is division. Now let us try to understand the rule 1 for adding out the integers. The sum of two positive integers is always positive. For example, 5 is a positive number, 1 is also a positive number. So when we are adding out these two positive integers, we are getting the positive integer, that is 6. Second rule for adding out the integers is the sum of two negative integers is always negative. For example, -5, when it is added to -1, sign will be minus only, but the number will be added. That means the answer will be equal to -6. Third rule for adding out the integers is the sum of a positive and a negative integer could be positive, negative, or 0. That means if one number is negative, second is positive, then sign of the greater number you have to take and subtract. When you add a positive and a negative integer, you are really subtracting. That is, when you give the answer, the sign of the greater absolute value. Let us practice some of the questions based on addition of integers. The very first example is 5 added to 6. Both are positive integers. That means they will be giving you the answer also positive. Answer is equal to 11. Second example says the numbers are negative. Both are negative integers. -3, when it is added to -2, sign will be minus, but the numbers will be added. So answer is equal to -5. In the third example, one number is negative, second is positive, sign of the greater number will come and you have to subtract. That is, -6, when it is added to 5, sign will be minus, answer is equal to 1, -1. In the fourth part also, one number is negative, second is positive, sign of the greater number and subtract. That is, when 8 is added to -7, answer is equal to 1. In the fifth example, number is same but with the opposite sign. Answer will be equal to 0. When both the numbers are same with the opposite sign, then answer will be equal to 0. That is, -9, when it is added to 9, you will get the answer as 0. Now there are few rules for subtracting out the integers as well. The very first one is to subtract an integer, add its opposite. Second is you will need to correctly change all the subtraction problems into addition problems. Now, how do you change a subtraction problem into an addition problem? There are 3 steps for it. The very first step says keep the first integer the same. Second is change the subtraction sign into an addition sign. Third one is take the opposite of the number that immediately follows the newly placed addition sign. Here For example, if you have to subtract -2 from 5, we'll be writing out 5 in the first place. Second one number is -2, and before the bracket you have to take the negative sign. When minus signs are coming closer, that will become positive. So 5 minus -2 will be written as 5 plus 2, answer is equal to 7. In the second one, -5 minus 2 will be giving you the answer as -7. Let us practice out some of the questions based on subtraction. 5 minus 2, one number is negative, second is positive, so answer will be equal to 3. In the second example, -3 minus 4, both the numbers are negative, sign will be negative but the numbers will be added. So answer will be equal to -7. In the third one, -1 minus -2, here before the bracket you are having a negative sign. Two negative signs are coming closer. Sign will become positive. So the numbers can be written as -1 plus 2. And here one number is negative, second is positive. Sign of the greater number and subtract. So the answer will be equal to 1. In the fourth part, -5 minus -3 can be written as -5 plus 3. Again, one number is negative, second is positive, sign of the greater number and subtract. So the answer will be equal to -2. In the fifth example, 7 minus -6, that can be written as 7 plus 6, answer will be equal to 13. Now we have just discussed the rules for adding out and subtracting out the integers. We'll now move, some of the rules are there, how to multiply the integers. Now in this case, the product of two integers with the same sign is positive and the product of two integers with the different sign is negative. That is, positive into positive will give you the answer as positive. Negative into negative will be giving you the answer as positive. Positive into negative will be giving you the answer as negative. And negative and positive integers, when they are multiplied, you will be getting the answer as negative. That is, in short, we can say same sign integers, when they are multiplied, you are getting the positive integer. And if different sign integers you are multiplying, you will be getting the negative integers. Let us do the practice of some of the questions based on multiplication. In the very first example, 6 has to be multiplied by -3. Here 6 is positive and 3 is negative. So the answer will be coming equal to -18. Second example says 3 into 3. Both are positive integers. So the answer will also be positive. Answer will be equal to +9. In the third one, -4, it is a negative integer and 5 is a positive integer. So the numbers are with the opposite sign. So when you are multiplying them, you will be getting the answer as -20. In the fourth one, -6 has to be multiplied by -2. Both the numbers are with the same sign. So sign will be positive, numbers will be multiplied, answer will be equal to 12. And in the fifth example again, -7 has to be multiplied by -8. Both are negative, sign will be positive and the numbers will be multiplied. We'll be getting the answer as 56. Now did you know that the rules for multiplication and division are same? Guess what? They are. The rules for multiplication and division are same. That means that if both the numbers are with the same sign and if we have to divide them, then positive sign will be coming. And if the numbers are with the different sign and if you want to divide, the sign will be negative. The rules for division are exactly the same as those for multiplication. If we were to take the rules for multiplication and change the multiplication sign to division sign, we would have an accurate set of rules for division. The very first rule says the quotient of two integers with the same sign is positive. That is, if the numbers are with the same sign and if you are dividing them, then positive sign will be coming. And if the two integers with the different signs are divided, then the negative sign will be coming. That is, rules for division are positive number divided by positive integer, you will be getting positive. Negative integer divided by negative integer is again positive. Positive integer divided by negative integer is negative. And negative integer divided by positive integer is negative. Let us do the practice of some of the questions based on division here. 18 is a positive integer. When it is divided by -2, that means a negative integer, you will be getting the sign negative. Answer is equal to -9. In the second example, both the numbers are negative. So sign will be positive in that case. -48 divided by -6, you will be getting the sign positive and the answer will be equal to 8. In the third example, -27, when it is divided by 9, one number is negative, second is positive, sign will be negative and the answer will be equal to -3. In the fourth part, both the numbers are positive. If both the numbers are with the same sign, sign will be positive and numbers will be divided. So 64 divided by 8 will be giving you the answer as 8. In the fifth example, one number is positive, second is negative, sign will be negative only and the numbers can be divided. So 30 divided by -5 will be giving you the answer as -6. Now let us revise what we have discussed today based on integers.